Okay, let's talk about the CSV. Basically, you get a like an Excel style type of a chart, and then you can read and write into it. There, I provide two different methods. One is using CSV. This, and also another really convenient one is using pandas. So CSV can just have this format. Sometimes it's convenient. You will have you'll basically having this file name and the write. Then you have a CSV, that's the name of that, and then write in this file, and they separated by the comma, and this is called data. This whole thing. Then we will have we can write the row. First row I want to write like X and Y, and then after that, the reason why I think it's convenient is in some sense superior than the pandas, because especially in writing, because in pandas, at least I don't know, there's no way to write one line after another. This you can just write one line. Sometimes you encounter extremely large set of data, then you will have to use this. So write one row, and then here's the way to read it using CSV. It's really convoluted. Reading, I think, is better off using pandas, but I think I heard using CSV is faster in terms of speed. And there is reading and writing using pandas. Basically, you construct a data frame, panda data frame, and convert it to CSV. That's pretty convenient. And also, read is easy, just one line. Basically, read this file to a data frame, and you can just extract the variables from data frame. Let's run it. As you can see, I construct the x-axis, y-axis is sine x. That's the output reading from the CSV file using the CSV. So let's not do that. Instead, let's just do like, it's just an empty line, and then let it print out just the data frame. See it print out the data frame with the indices. You can also, you can print out X and Y, of course, but it's in data frame format. It looks pretty good. And yeah, that's how to input-output CSV file. I will put the link of Github into this and the description of the video.